Welcome back, creative colleagues, to this month's Canva challenge. By popular demand, this month we're digging into Canva's Magic Studio. Join me in this learn and play challenge while we explore the AI tools in Canva. As you watch this month, you will want to have your learn and play template already open from the instructional coach newsletter link. Pause and play this video as you learn and play using the template. Get your magic wands ready as we dive in to Canva's Magic Studio. You might find it useful to review this presentation slide deck. You can access it using the link you see here. When you click on the template link shared in the instructional coach newsletter, you're going to get a window pop up that looks something like this. You're going to want to select Use Template for New Design. Once your template opens, you're going to click in the title of this project, delete, copy of, and replace those words with your name. Each slide in this project is a new feature to try in the Magic Studio. The top left-hand corner will indicate which feature we're going to try. The bottom of each slide has a numbered bullet point list of the instructions to follow for that feature. Let's try Magic Write together. Number 1, click on the text box, fill in the blanks, then click on Magic Write and continue writing. So the text box is at the top of the page. Create a vocabulary list for grade 6 local government. Now, it would make sense for you to choose your grade level and a topic that works for you. Hopefully, this is a useful tool for you. Now, I'm just going to click off there. It says in small print, you may have to click off the text box and then click back on it for Magic Write to appear. So you'll see now that the Magic Write has popped up. When I click on that, I'm going to select, based on the instructions, continue writing. There is a warning at the bottom of the screen that indicates this is an AI tool and it's still in the development phases. So you always are going to be the best judge of what that information includes. Number 2 says, once your list has been generated, we're going to duplicate. On the second list, we're going to select Magic Write, and you'll notice that there's a whole bunch of choices here. You're going to choose another one. I'm going to select more fun. Interesting. Because my topic is serious in nature and they don't think that it is humorous, it's not going to generate a more fun topic. That's an excellent example of one of the filters that Canva has on their AI tools. So in Magic Write, I'm just going to click on Rewrite. It's given me a new set of definitions along with the terms. Our second slide is another Magic Studio feature in Canva. This one is Magic Media. It is a text to image prompt. Most often, you won't notice it on the left-hand side of your buttons. You'll need to select Apps from the tab on the left. I find it easiest just to search the word magic, and it should be the first one that you see. Just go ahead and select it. It might prompt you to first select open. You're going to want to describe the image you want to create. This one is going to be wide open, and for that reason, I've given you a cheat sheet you can choose to view here to give you some prompt tips and formulas to follow. This Magic Media cheat sheet for teachers is a handy tool. It gives you a brief video overview, the steps that you follow, as well as these prompt tips. On the second page of the cheat sheet, you'll also find some really creative ways to use text to image in your classroom, along with the prompts that were used for these particular images. Make sure that when you have created your image prompt, you copy it and paste it into the text at the top of the page. When you have entered your prompt, you're going to get 4 choices to choose from. If you don't like any of them, then you can always generate again. Once I've selected my image onto my page, in past projects, we've used frames. You're just going to drag that image right into the frame. You're done this slide. The remaining slides are using Canva's Magic Studio image editing features. For all of the remaining slides, you're going to select the image, you're going to select edit photo, and then based on whichever we're working with, so in this case, it's try background remover, you will hit edit photo and then choose the appropriate Magic Studio tool to use. Be sure to follow all of the instructions listed in each of the slides. When you get to slide 6 and 7, they are both try Magic Edit. There's 2 different images and 2 different suggestions about how Magic Edit can work. Slide 6 asks that you use the Magic Edit brush tool to change the dog in this image to some other kind of animal. Slide number 7, Magic Edit, is asking you to brush over the towel or the cape that the dog is wearing. And in the Magic Edit feature, change the color or the texture of the towel. You can choose to do one or both of these slides. So that would apply to slide 6 and to slide 7. To finish our project, we're going to share and we're going to use a collaboration link. Anyone with the link can comment. So make sure we're selecting anyone with the link can comment, and then you're going to go ahead and select copy link. Once you have your entry template open to the March slide, you're going to just click in the middle of that slide and Control V to embed your Learn and Play Magic Studio slides. Remember, you're going to do this once you've added all of the features and followed all of the instructions from each of the slides in the Learn and Play Magic Studio slide deck. Remember that you need to share this link in the Google form that you will find in our Instructional Coach March newsletter. The settings are anyone with the link can comment. Copy this link and paste it into the appropriate place on the Google form for your March entry. This month, you learned about Canva's Magic Studio, all of the features you accessed in an already created template. If you're interested in learning more about Magic Studio or how to access it on your own for future projects, you can go to the Canva homepage and click on Magic Studio from the left-hand side. This brings us to the end of our March Canva Skills Blitz Challenge video. This month, you were able to learn and play in Canva's Magic Studio. You got to try Magic Write, Magic Media, the Background Remover, Magic Eraser, Magic Expand, Magic Edit, Magic Grab, and Grab Text. Thanks for playing. See you next month.